delicious crispy chicken finger recipe. You can make this recipe under 30 minutes of your time. It's fried, it's crispy, it's a starter recipe, it's mouth-watering. Kids will love it, guests will love it.
It's delicious.
My name is Mair, you're watching Mair Hungry YouTube channel. Welcome back to the channel. Let's make delicious chicken fingers from chicken tenderloins. Tenderloin is the chicken breast meat. Pan in a pot, have it on the stove. Have canola oil for this. Make your oil temperature at 350 to 375 degree. This meat will be delicious coated chicken fingers. I have 2 packs. These are 2.5 pounds of the meat. Let's take it out from the packet and give it a quick rinse from the fresh water. Delicious chicken fingers. This is all our meat. So if you see your tenderloin is a little bit thicker, we are not making chicken tenders. Cut it from the center so you have a finger-like texture. Add it in your marinade bowl. Delicious chicken fingers meat is ready. Let's marinate this beautiful meat with delicious, easy home ingredient. Salt. That's the first thing. This is 2.5 pounds of the meat. Half tablespoon of the regular table salt. Half tablespoon of the black pepper. Half tablespoon of smoked paprika. Lemon pepper. We will take half tablespoon. Let's add some whole milk in there. 1/3 cup of the baking. 1/3 cup of the real mayo. White distilled vinegar. Take 2 tablespoons. So we have beautifully seasoned our delicious chicken fingers. Delicious chicken fingers are marinated. Let's make the batter. We will be coating our delicious chicken fingers. For the chicken fingers batter, you will need breadcrumbs. You buy the crumbs. 1, 2 baking cups of the breadcrumbs. Cornstarch, or you can do corn flour. Add 1 tablespoon of the lemon pepper. You will take half tablespoon of the salt, half tablespoon of the black pepper, half tablespoon of the paprika. Give it a mix. Crunchy, crispy. Let's take our chicken fingers, put it here, cover it from all the sides, give it a gentle tap. And this is how your delicious chicken fingers should look like. And they go in the oil, which is at 350 degree. Just like that. Let's keep repeating the same process. Chicken fingers, get in there, tap it, and here we go. They go in here. So, what's the cooking time? I would say 350 degree, at least for 8 minutes. So by 6:47, this batch will be ready. So here our chicken fingers, look at this. Looking so beautiful, right? They are cooking here. We still have some time. You don't move your spoon around, so you're gonna lose all the batter from all of the chicken fingers. They are coated, they're ready to get in here. We still have 3 minutes to go. Let's make a sauce for the dipping sauce, the delicious dipping sauce. Of course, you will take mayo, 3 spoons of mayo, 2 spoons of ketchup, chili sauce, 1 tablespoon, mustard, 1 to 2 tablespoons. These are all the combos. This is the sauce cocktail. Ranch, at least 3 tablespoons. All ready-made sauces. It's not a big thing. We all can do that. Look at this. Give it a good whisk. This is the delicious king sauce, you can say. King sauce for our delicious chicken fingers. Wow, you get all the flavors. Okay, 1 more minute to go. Let's take a look on here. So, here are our yummy chicken fingers. Whoa, they are on the softer side right now. So 8 minutes will do this kind of work since it's a natural meat in there, right? So this will be the cooked version. Whoa, it's hot. This will be the cooked version of the delicious chicken fingers. If you want it a little bit more crispy, let it cook like this for another couple minutes or 3-4 minutes. First batch of chicken fingers are crispily ready. Oh, they are so crispy. Here's the sauce with that. We have another batch to go. Let's put them in here. Empty spots. Here we go. Second batch is in there. 8 to 10 minutes, depends how crispy you want. You will get delicious chicken fingers like this. Dress with some fresh mint leaves, some fresh coriander, and lemon.
Say it louder, say it louder. Feel the moment, feel the power. Bring the animal back to life. Bring the energy one more time. If you feel like letting go, you can take control. You can turn this on.
You see this? Let's break one. And look at this. Real chicken breast inside and crispy from the outside. We made it under 30 minutes, this recipe. Here goes the first bite without any sauces. This is the real life, real taste test. Oh my god. Here goes the sauce. Here goes the bite. Super yummy, so delicious. You will love it, kids will love it, family will love it. Make the king sauce, it's tangy. 4 more minutes for the next batch. Here you go. Oh my god.
Bring the energy one more time. If you feel like letting go, you can take control. You can turn this all to something beautiful where you feel life gets you down, 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 gets